Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This is my personal experience using Nexo, so your mileage may vary. Today, we're diving into Nexo, found at nexo.com, a platform offering a suite of financial services centered around cryptocurrency. From earning interest on your digital assets to borrowing against them and even spending with a Nexo card, it aims to be a one-stop shop for managing your crypto. Nexo allows users to deposit a variety of cryptocurrencies and stablecoins, earning what they advertise as competitive interest rates. This interest is often paid out daily, allowing for compounding growth. It's important to understand the different tiers of interest rates offered, which can be influenced by factors like your loyalty level within the platform and the proportion of Nexo tokens you hold. Borrowing against your crypto holdings is another core feature. This can be useful for accessing liquidity without selling your assets. Nexo provides loans in various fiat currencies and stablecoins, with loan terms and interest rates varying depending on the collateralization ratio and your loyalty tier. The Nexo card lets users spend their crypto holdings without needing to sell them first. It acts as a credit line secured by your crypto assets, allowing you to make purchases at merchants that accept credit cards. This can be a convenient way to access the value of your crypto for everyday spending. While Nexo offers a potentially attractive suite of services, it's crucial to do your own research and due diligence. Understand the risks associated with lending and borrowing in the cryptocurrency space. Be sure to thoroughly read the terms and conditions and familiarize yourself with Nexo security practices. Explore different tiers, interest rates, and the impact of holding Nexo tokens. Finally, compare Nexo with other platforms offering similar services to see which best meets your individual needs and risk tolerance.